Who wants some mac and cheese? Well, I'll tell you what, today we're going to make some super easy, cheesy mac and cheese right here on the Char grill at Akorn, this thing right here. As you see, we already got it starting up, kind of warming up for us, getting a little head start for us. What we're doing, we're making a super, super simple mac and cheese. And we're going to cook it on here because mac and cheese is delicious. But why not add that extra flavor of some smoke? Another layer of flavor. That's right. So we got the acorn heating up. We're going to get it roughly about 250, 300 degrees. We got the bottom on one, top on one. Got a few little chunks of some apple wood in there. Some lump charcoal. Already got it going. Won't be long. It'll be ready. But the star of the show is going to be that mac and cheese. And you are not going to believe how easy and simple this is. Won't take long, and tell you what, you put this on your table for Easter, for whatever, for a get together during the summer, whenever you want to serve this, people are not going to believe how easy this is. And you're not going to believe it, but guess what? You'll believe it here in a little bit because I'm going to show you. But before we get started with that, please, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, ring that bell, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Would love to hear from you. If you have been here, thank you so much. Really do appreciate your help and your support and everything you've been showing us, all this love. Thank you so much. One more thing, check down below in the description. Whole lot of information down there below there. We have a recipe playlist down there, so if you're not looking for this recipe, maybe there's another one you like better, look there. If you don't see it, let us know in the comments. Would love to know what you want to see us make. Would love to know. Also, check all our social media links. We got an email and a Gmail and all kind of stuff down there. Email and Gmail, same thing, ain't it? We have a Gmail down there. Email us through our Gmail. How's that? Also, we got a P.O. box. If you just feel like sending us something, we'd be glad to have it. So with all that being said, this thing's already heating up. Let's show you some groceries, and let's get to making this mac and cheese. Yep, you're looking at this right. That's all it's going to take right here, y'all. This is it. This is it. This is it. What we have here is a 16-ounce box of noodles. We have already boiled, so this is already pre-boiled, ready to go. Kind of cooled off now. They're sticking, but that's okay. We have about a half of a stick of butter we've already tabbed up. We have some half and half back here. We have 4 cups already measured out of Colby Jack Cheese. Well, Colby Jack, my bad. We have some more Colby Jack here just in case we need it. We have some pepper, so we're going to kind of just top it off with. Y'all, that is it. It's going to be that simple. Okay, y'all. Let's get to mixing this together. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our half a tab of butter here. Just dump it on in there. It don't really matter where it goes. Take our half and half. We're going to add about 3/4 of this quart or 3 cups, however you want to measure it out. It ain't got to be exact. You know, nothing's exact. I don't do a lot of measuring. And then I'm going to dump, yes, that's right, all 4 cups of this cheese in there. And then all we got to do now is just mix it up. Get a good mix together, and then we're going to show you the pan we're going to transfer all this into. And there you go. It's all mixed together. Now what we got to do is transfer it into the pan that we plan on cooking in. Grill's almost hot. We got the mac and cheese mixed up, but let's go ahead and get it in the pan, and then we're going to get it on the grill. Okay, so what I went and got me is a disposable pan. Now you can use any kind of pan that you want, but I figured these work really good to put on the grills and what have you. So this is a roughly 9 by 11 by 2. It's not exact. I was like 9 3/4 by 2 and 7/16. I don't know. But either way. So at this point, what you want to do is just transfer everything into this pan. This pan works perfect. This size will hold. Man, this is going to be big mac and cheese, y'all. But when I say it's super cheesy, man, it don't look like it, but there is 4 cups of Colby Jack Cheese up in this thing. You hear me? That's right. And that's it. Now, you may be wondering about the topping. We're not going to top it yet because I want that smoke flavor to kind of penetrate. We will even go in here and stir it up just a little bit. One more tip. If you don't have a bowl like this of some sort to mix it in, you can mix it up in the pan that you're going to cook in. Just be careful when you start mixing because it will kind of come out because this thing is full. Okay, mac and cheese is mixed up in the pan. Akorn's good and ready and hot. It's running about 250. One more thing I forgot to tell you about the setup of this. I did tell you the bottom damper's on 1, top damper's on 1. but we did put the stone in because I don't want the heat to come direct. So it's going to be an indirect heat. So the smoking stone is in here. So with that being said, we got to get the groceries on the grill. Slowly open our grill. Oh yeah. That smells so good. That smoke coming out of there. And we're just gonna place this right in the center. Now, like I said, we're gonna come back probably about 15, 20 minutes and just give it a good mix. Let that smoke get throughout the whole mac and cheese in there. And then later on, we're gonna come back and top it all off with some cheese and some pepper. And we're gonna be eating. Okay, y'all, it has been about 20 minutes. I say we pop the top, take a look at it, give it a little stir, let it cook a little longer. Let's check it out, y'all. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking real good. Y'all check this out. Look how cheesy that is. We're just gonna give it a good stir. Let that smoke get in there and penetrate a little more down in there. And it don't have to be leveled back out. It's okay if you leave pockets and places for it. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Yeah, buddy. Look how cheesy that is. Look at that. Let's close it back down. Let it cook for just a little bit longer. Take some more of that smoke. And we'll check on it. Okay, y'all. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it again. Just kind of, man, look how cheesy that is. And moist. And, oh, it's going to be so good. So what we'll do now is just kind of spread it out. Kids are back here waiting to eat. Now, we're going to take some of this other cheese we said we might need. And y'all can put as much of that on top as you want. Because I don't think it's cheesy enough. Can you make it too cheesy? That's what I need to know. Can you make it too cheesy? So anyhow, get all that on there nice and pretty like. Now here's where we'll come back. We're going to put the pepper to it. Some fresh ground pepper. Like that. Let's close her down. We done stirred it a couple times, got the smoke going all in and all through the mac and cheese. That's really gonna be good, I'm telling you. So now we level it out, got the cheese back on top, put some cracked pepper on top of that. Now we're just gonna close back down, kind of let it just melt all together, gooey, ooey goodness. So we're gonna check it out here in just a little bit. What y'all think about that mac and cheese? Look at that bubbling over there. Oh yeah, buddy. Did you ever think mac and cheese can be done on a grill? I say we take this up and try it. Okay, what'd you think about that? I personally loved it because I'm about to eat it. Let's get this thing off the grill. Yeah, buddy. So what we're gonna do is I have another pan here. We're gonna take this pan and just slide it on there like that. Y'all look at that. There it is, y'all. Let's take it to the table and try this thing out. There it is, y'all. It's that simple. Didn't I tell you this is simple? Super simple, super cheesy. Let's see if it's super delicious. But before we do, please, if you're new here, subscribe. If you've been here, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Y'all are the reasons I keep on doing stuff like this. And I tell you what, I might find me another profession for much longer because I'm getting fat. So right now, let's dig in. I'm gonna dig out this corner, y'all. Y'all look at that cheese, look at that. Oh, baby. That's good for right now. Oh yeah, look at that. That's so cheap. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. I hope y'all can see how cheesy this is. Oh, yeah, buddy. This is it. This is it. You gotta have another bite of that. Yeah. That right there is delicious. Mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese. Who don't like mac and cheese? But you add that layer of smoke in there, it's just that much better. It really is. And this is so cheesy. Y'all seen how much cheese we add? A lot of cheese. So, but you know, it's good. So try this out. Let me know how it turns out for you. Now also, one more thing. If you don't have the Akorn grill, that's fine. You can do this on any grill, a pellet grill, whatever kind of grill you have. Just use indirect heat. The smoke flavor is what you're trying to get for. So roughly a little under an hour cook time. You seen how easy this was, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please share this out. Let everybody know. If you didn't enjoy it, hit that thumbs down twice. Let me really know you hated it. So with that being said, I'm going to finish this plate. I don't know about taking the rest of it in, but we'll see. And we'll see you next time.